The earliest bird catches the worm. Every morning, the birds fly out in search of food. Those who get up early get the maximum, but those who are late will not have even the least. To grab a golden opportunity, one has to be active, alert, and should start early. There is also less distraction. More choices can be explored. By starting work early, one faces less competition. Postponing a work can rob us of all potential benefits, and same will be availed by a person who was quick to commence his task. Latecomers are always dissatisfied and disappointed with anything and everything. Similarly, in our lives also, we have to get the maximum, not the least. So, be an early bird.